Hey, what's going on guys? Kelechi here. Okay, so this brand, you probably haven't heard so much about it, but they make one of the best phones in the smartphone industry, from the likes of an entry-level device, mid-range, and even flagship device, and of course rugged smartphones. I'm talking about Oukitel. So in today's video, I will be expressly talking about the new Oukitel Wp19. It's a rugged smartphone with never seen features ever on a device. I'm talking about a 21,000 mAh battery capacity. That's a real monster. I mean, you charge your phone just once and you go weeks without thinking if your battery will ever go down or not. And on top of that, it supports a 33 watts fast charge. And then to top it all, it comes with the Mediatek Helio G96 processor for faster performance and smooth handling, and 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 gigs of internal storage. Man. Okay, I did review the rugged Bison X10 from Mediatek so that you have an idea of what is to come. And I'll do well to include the link in this video description so you check it out after watching this video. The Oukitel Wp19 is really going to be wild. This is a phone that you will enjoy smartphone gaming on the 6.78 inches HD Plus display. And even compared to some of the best like the iPhone 13, I don't think there's any smartphone battery in this world that can be compared to the Wp19. It is the world's strongest battery phone, and this is one of the major highlights of this phone. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. Extremely waterproof and dust proof. This phone is designed for outdoor adventures or for regular mobile users, and also for somebody out there who needs a portable power supply with the huge battery capacity here. It also supports reverse charging. And then you have a 64 megapixel flagship camera lens, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 20 megapixel Sony night camera. Honestly, I can't wait to test out the camera features of the Wp19, especially the 20 megapixel night camera lens. And Oukitel confirms that it can detect anything, especially at night, with the potential to cause danger. So that means if I don't feel safe where I am, I can easily switch to the 20 megapixel Sony camera lens and see what's going on that my eye cannot see. Really interesting for a smartphone. And you can even search for a lost item in the dark. Wow, honestly, this is flagship rugged phone. And at a very good budget price that can be easily affordable. This phone costs $300 US, that's approximately 180,000 in Naira. It is an Explorer. The design is tough and made to withstand every and any harsh environment. Of course, it's going to wear a premium design, but the build and finish is that of a rugged smartphone that can easily keep the phone safe from water, dust, and also shock. This smartphone will last for a very long time. It has a side-mounted fingerprint, 4 infrared radiator, a USB Type-C connectivity, and a tray for 2 SIMs. For video recording, it will shoot 4K at 30 frames video with image stabilization. It will also support complete Google apps and powered by the Android version 12. So guys, the Oukitel Wp19 will be officially available on the 27th of June and at a starting price of $300 US for its decent flagship rugged features. What do you think? For me, I think it's the toughest and safest rugged smartphone in the industry. The major key highlights here is the 21,000 mAh battery capacity, the 64 megapixel flagship lens, and the 20 megapixel night camera lens. Honestly, I can't wait to explore all these features. And if you're also looking forward to that, please share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what you think about the incoming Oukitel Wp19 rugged smartphone. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please, if you're new to my channel, it is a good time to subscribe and turn the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Kelechi signing out.